Kykie bokke.
Oh wow, look at that. Some sables we've got. Mama, but I don't care about the bokke. I just see what's in your hand, huh? And that is the way I want to start a video.
Met 'n vinnige shotjie.
I'm telling you, well, just put it down there. Before we say anything, you're going to pour us a drink and we're going to start this weekend on a good note. Huh?
Good note.
Between all the animals, lekker.
Can you guess where we are?
We're doing it together, hand in hand, across this beautiful rainbow land.
Okay, let me show them the bridge. Maybe that might give it
them
away.
a clue.
That's going to give it away.
Yeah,
I don't know how many people you've driven. Everybody's driven over that bridge, but I don't know how many people have seen the bridge from this side. This is what I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And before we put this away, I'm going to tell them where we are. We are at Bon Game in Gourits.
It's a nature park.
It's a nature park next to the Gourits River. That's the bridge where they normally jumped off from.
Oh, I'm so glad it closed down. Otherwise you're going to make me get down there.
When we drove here, she said, I'll do everything this weekend, but you're not going to make me jump. I said, don't worry, I don't jump anymore. But anyway, cheers on Bon Game.
Yes.
And thank you guys for inviting us. We're gonna enjoy this. This is going to be nice.
Yeah.
There's going to be lots of adventure this weekend.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Always nice. What is that?
It's a sidekick. It's my sidekick.
Yeah, that's your sidekick.
Put it here.
Mama, let's show them the place.
Hoe lyk dit? Hoe lyk dit?
Het klaar.
Sy stap hier
Sy
op.
stap hier op jou. There's one big 8-sleep house here at Bon Game, and we've got that.
Yes.
And then there's 15 wild camping.
Yes.
And how many?
8.
8 normal camping.
Normal camping.
I can see the camping here.
Yeah.
I will show you everything later on.
Ja, and the animals roam around you.
But I think before we drink another one,
we just start at the entertainment area?
Just start with this, yeah. Just start somewhere. Put that away. Please put that away. Because I feel like having another one, but let's do the tour first.
Okay, first, let me show you.
This
when
is
you come
one
to
of
this
the-
house.
This is, sorry, this is one of the biggest hot tubs I've ever seen. Huh?
Yeah, it's actually a jacuzzi.
But it's like a swimming pool.
Yeah.
And it's nice and
already.
hot. Feel it. Have you feel it?
No,
Feel
not
it.
yet.
It's nice and hot.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
feel?
Oh, yeah.
I just felt it. It's nice and hot. So this is going to be nice.
This is the whole entertainment area. It's so nice. There's a nice chandelier hanging there above the, what you ever want to call the swimming pool. It's
Well,
so big
it's a
because
hot
it's
bath.
for 8 people.
Yeah.
That's
that's why
it's
it's so
nice
big.
and
Because
big.
it's a house for 8 people. Yeah.
It's got a very nice view. They told us the animals coming from that koppiekie down here.
We've just seen the
Giraffe.
The giraffe. There it goes,
And
but
some
it's very
zebras.
far. There's a giraffe, but you won't see it. But we'll see
But
you
they
later.
are making their way down.
Yeah, they're coming
so
down.
they're
Yeah.
coming down here and they're going to that grounds there where the sable was. Sable's lying.
Yeah. My
So-
love, and I'm sure the reason why this thing is so high
They drink
it's for
water.
the giraffe. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he drinks there. Yeah. Cool.
Okay. So yeah, now you've got this nice sunbeds. I'm gonna get on one.
I don't think that's a bed. I think that's just to sit and
This
watch
is
the animals.
chairs.
If you lie like that, you won't see the animals, my love.
Okay, yeah. So this is what you say. You
It's a
sit
seat,
that
yeah.
way around
Yeah.
and you watch the animals.
Yeah.
You have a drinky. Nice.
Oh, lekker.
And on the same porch, can I call it? There's stoop. It's a nice thatched stoop. If the wind is strong, you can. There's a pulley system.
Oh,
you close it, and
I
this
saw this.
goes
this
up.
goes up, yeah.
Yeah, so it will
Okay,
keep
so
out all the wind.
That's nice, yeah.
Yes. In the,
But then you also can't see the animals.
yeah. So if you come around this way, there's a nice braai. You can enter from both sides.
Oh, that's lekker, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
You
cool.
can braai here, or you can braai here.
And tonight we're going to use this because
Yes.
I've got something special to braai tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Lekker. I'm looking forward to
Okay.
that.
So we're going to use this tonight.
They gave us 3 bags of wood.
Yes.
But I think you have to buy that. They don't give wood because there's no hot tub that you put wood in.
Yes, this
so you
is
have
only
to buy
for the braai.
You have to buy the wood for braai. Yeah. This has got like a Wildtuin, a Kruger National Park feeling, huh?
yeah.
It's so nice.
Feel like
it feels
we-
like a lookout point.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
the thing.
yeah, it
that's
feels
the
like a
thing.
lookout point, yeah.
Yeah, this thing can also, you can also,
I see this one is up.
yes, you can also
Yeah.
put it down.
This one is up,
Yeah, if you don't want to.
So this is the way it looks.
Yes.
So you can actually, and then you can still look over the top
yeah,
to check the animals out.
yeah.
There the sables go. They're going, they're going. Okay, my love, let's go.
Okay, there's all the rules for the jacuzzi.
Okay.
Okay, and then when you
But
go down,
we've got no rules. The only rule is there's no rules.
there's no rules.
My love, I just want to show you something before you go in. Just look at these lights.
yes,
you
it's,
see?
yeah, horns.
It's horns, yeah. Look
Yeah.
at them. They're all horns.
My word.
So the light is inside of the horn.
yeah.
That's crazy.
And you've got nice green grass.
Yeah,
in
like a
front.
fake grass.
Yes. So welcome to our accommodation this weekend.
Mama, you look very excited.
I am. There's a lot to do.
And look at this. This is the, oh, can you see it?
Yeah.
That's the picture of the bridge.
Bon Game
Private
Private Reserve.
Reserve.
And this is the
Imba
House.
Imba House.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
And what a house this is.
Show us.
Come and look. When you enter,
Oh,
it's just a big open plan. This is the kitchen
sure.
side.
It is so modern, huh?
Yes. Let me show you all the appliances.
Yo, I can just see
This
everything.
house.
Yes.
My goodness. There's a tumble dryer because it's 8 people. That is the bin, I know. You've got a kitchen, kettle. You've got a coffee maker.
lekker coffee maker with
yes,
pot
with
coffee
pots.
maker, yeah.
You've got coffee. This is where you can
Spices.
store your spices or your chips and everything you bring the
If you
weekend.
come for a week or a week, even a weekend, yeah.
The washer.
Sure, but it's got all the luxuries,
All
huh?
the luxuries. There's a
A
dishwasher.
dishwasher, mama.
Because you're not going to wash 8 people's plates all the time.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
understand that.
I
well,
know.
it's only us two this weekend.
Yeah, I also know they've got a cleaning service. So you can, if you want to, you can arrange with them to bring the cleaning service.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. And
Just
then look at all the glasses.
Oh,
My word. Whiskey
My
glasses,
goodness.
brandy glasses, champagne glasses. This is for
Cocktails,
cocktails.
cocktails, yeah.
Wine glasses, shot glasses.
And we already used the shot glasses.
Wow,
Mugs,
this
coffee
is
mugs.
quite nice.
Jeez, I love an array of
Array,
glasses.
That's a good word. And then all your crockery, everything you need. There's this side. There's some more. There's a lot of casseroles and stuff you can use. There's a picnic basket because they do picnics here.
Okay.
They've got a picnic area they take you to. Very nice.
That's nice.
Yes. I see
Microwave.
lots of braaibakke.
Oh, braaibakke so met twee van hulle.
Big one and a smaller
Oh,
one.
wow, lekker, nice.
And they've got an air fryer.
Air fryer, my love.
They've got a nice sized big a microwave.
Sure.
They've got this gas
Stove.
hob and stove. I saw, oh
Yo, look
my
at this
goodness,
big
look at
toaster.
this for 8 people.
Sure, yeah.
And
All the
they've got
snack
cutting
plates,
boards,
boards.
and they've got, I saw here, they've got even got
So you can
muffin pans and stuff. You,
you
can
can
make
bake. You can-
breakfast,
You can bake as well, yeah.
bread, anything you like.
Cool. Okay, nice big fridge freezer,
Nice big
double one.
fridge freezer. It makes its own ice.
Okay, lekker.
Yeah,
so we
it's
won't run out
connected
of
to
ice.
the tap.
Ach, lekker.
And then when you move out of the kitchen, which is not my favorite part, I'll show you my favorite part later. But then you go into the living area.
And
And
I
this
see-
is also so spacious.
I see our fire has been packed.
A fire's
Sure.
been packed. Look at this big dining table.
Sure.
Yo, it's like a long table for Christmas.
Once again for 8 people.
For 8 people. But I think we are going to do the upstairs for
Outside,
tonight.
yeah. I hope the
Yes.
wind is going to die down.
Yes.
Then we can lekker.
Because I want to notch the animals.
Oh, what animals are you going to see in the evenings? Have you got radar eyes or?
Giraffes. Okay, and then
Oh,
on
look at the
this
zebra,
side,
my love. Look at the zebra. Don't step on the zebra.
Oh, shame. And on this side, you've got this luxurious couches. Oh
Yes.
my goodness.
Lekker, all leathers,
Oh.
huh?
And if you sit here,
My love, I know this is the kind of couch that you want, huh? You want
lazy H.
and you like this corner couch.
I like the corner couches.
I know you like
and
it.
exactly this piece where I'm sitting. Because if you turn around, you'll see what I'm spotting there.
Oh, big TV.
A
in the-
nice big
Ah,
TV.
In the ceiling. Okay, but
and
we're
they've
not,
got full Wi-Fi
but
here.
we're not here to watch TV.
No, but if you are staying for more than 2 days or a week,
Yeah, I understand.
and you want to catch up on your binnelanders of your diepe waters,
I understand, but
they've got Wi-Fi.
but we're here for the adventure, Mama.
We're here for the
And
adventure.
just look at that amazing, amazing horn. That's some wild beast, wild animal. That's not a buffalo. That's some. That's een of ander beest, man. Huh?
Yeah. Luckily, it's not roaming around here.
But that is a huge, huge, huge thing. But it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Henny, watch this. There's an inside braai and an outside braai.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very,
Yeah.
very nice. So you're not weather bound.
No, nothing.
Nice. Come. Get your ass off that couch.
Oh, it's so nice and soft.
Show us
Okay.
where the fun
play park is.
Yeah, play us where the play park. I wanted to say show us where the fun is going to be tonight,
Oh,
but the
okay.
play park is the same thing.
Okay, but let's just show them first the bathroom. It's an amazing bathroom. I just love it.
I love it
There's
as well.
something for every one of us in here.
It's a couple's bathroom.
It's a couple's
Yeah,
bathroom.
nice.
Yeah. So tomorrow morning, we are going to have a shower in this nice, big,
Just look at
double
this, huh?
shower.
A double head, huh?
Me
Mama?
on this side, you on that
And
side.
just look how high it is.
Yeah.
My word, that is for you, and this is for
A
me.
rain
Ach,
shower.
nooit, man. Huh? It's so
Very
nice and
nice.
big. Look at this.
Yeah.
Mama. You can scratch my back, and I can. That's all weird. I
Wonder
just
place.
love it. I just love it. In the place. And I can scratch your back, huh?
Oh, lekker, dis ook lekker.
Lekker,
So
this is nice.
if you get out of the shower one day,
One day.
then you have
Only here for 2 days.
then you have this nice he's and hers. I love the he's and hers.
Yeah, it's quite cool.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice and stylish. I like the tiles, very nice. The potty is in the corner here, out
Okay.
of sight.
It's hidden, yeah?
And then you've got the spa bath.
Whew.
Very nice.
Wow, my love.
But
Huh?
I chose this weekend to do a couple shower.
Yeah, definitely. Because I'm not going to fit in here with you. This is a one-person bath.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
only for me.
Yeah. Oh, I can sit my ass up there.
Yeah, and,
Yes.
and you can wash my back in the bath. Very nice.
Oh, what is this?
It's just a table.
I thought it's drums. No, that's
No,
your,
it's a washing
that's your washing.
basin.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
put your,
you put
all
your
your dirty
clothing.
laundry in there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And then the towels they give you. Okay. Then, as we said, this is an 8-sleep house. So the first room is for the children.
Sure,
It's
yeah,
2
this-
bunk beds.
Wow.
So there's four children sleeping in here. 4 children.
Yeah.
So if you come through here, there's an aircon in every room, which is very nice because it can get quite hot. There's cupboards. That's a cupboard. 2
Oh, there's a
cupboards.
cupboard as well.
Another cupboard. Yeah.
Okay.
Good planning.
Oh, there's, yeah, okay.
And then if you go out here, there's a nice view. Come and look at this nice view.
So the animals will actually come and walk up to you here.
Yes. Look at
Wow.
this.
Look at
And
this.
it's nice. She's got her own little stoopie.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
There's
Oh,
the sables
there's the
again.
sables again. But they're just
Wow.
hanging around here.
They're eating all the grass.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Sure, my love. I like it. I like it a lot. Huh?
Very nice.
Look at that nice wall behind you.
Mm.
So the kids, this is actually very dangerous. Because the kids, we're going to have, well, the people that come here with kids, they're going to have to lock this door and then
Small kids,
put
yeah.
the key, take the key out of the door.
Yeah, otherwise the children
Otherwise
are not
they're
going to sleep.
They're going to roam with the animals.
Okay.
Aye. We'll just leave it open for now.
Yes. Okay, so when you walk out of this room, you walk into the it's a guest room, but it's nearly like a main room, as big as the main room. So
Okay.
this is this side. So here my friends is going to sleep,
Your friends.
and the children next door.
Okay. Yeah, this
So
is
it's
a nice
also
room.
a nice big double bed.
Look at all the cupboards.
All the cupboards in here.
Sure.
Lots of cupboards. Nice. There's a comforter if you're getting cold. And if you look out this side, every room opens on a patio.
Okay.
And then you see the sables and all the buck roaming around again. Okay. And then we go to the main bedroom where we are going to sleep.
Oh, lekker.
Very nice.
Sure.
That is a big bed for you to roll around on.
And just look at that
Headboard.
again. I know you
Yo,
love that.
I
huh?
always like the headboard.
You like the different styles. And this one
yeah.
is huge. It's high
Very
up, huh?
high, yeah.
It's normally just half of that.
Yeah, but I like the big ones. It
Sure.
just gives a nice, such a nice feeling.
Aircon again.
Aircon
So
again.
you can set it hot or
A
cold.
lot of cupboards.
Cupboards,
Let's
yeah.
see. There's even a safe inside if
Okay.
you've got valuables or lots of money you want to hide.
Also, take out that money that you bring.
I didn't bring any.
Huh? Okay, that
Yeah.
the money won't fit in there anyways.
Okay, and then this side, there's a nice big hairdryer
Oh,
and also a comforter. if
and
it's
you also
cold.
brought your hairdryer.
I brought my hairdryer as well, and also a nice piece of grass. This window, this door open this side.
That
you can
side,
go
yeah.
out that side. But you've got
There's
the
a little
nicest
bunkie you can
view.
sit there, you see.
Yes,
look
and
at
watching the
animals.
views.
Yeah.
You've got the nicest views from this
Yeah,
house.
I like it as well,
Every
yeah.
room has got its own
Yeah.
views.
I want
And
then
then
it's-
you've got the ensuite bathroom.
Yeah, but this is a small
It's just
shower.
Yeah, we are going to do
I'm
the
going to do the
double
couples
shower.
one tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this
you've
is,
got your own
This is for
potty.
in the late evenings
Yeah,
when you
yeah.
have a big pee or something
Yeah,
and you
you can
sleep
just go
in, you
here.
just wander in there.
Cool, man. This is a nice
Yes,
house. I
very
like it. I
nice.
like it a lot.
Oh, I think this will be a very nice place for a family with children to come
Yeah.
see the animals and run around. And there's also a restaurant on here.
Yeah, we'll show them
on the
everything.
grounds.
But now, first, we're going to have to unpack
Yes.
and get
The
all our
monster
stuff.
ready.
Get all our stuff in here and yeah, drink something because that shot we drank now just made
Maak my
me.
mond droog.
It just made me. I can't say the word on YouTube, but it made me. You know what I want to say.
Thirsty.
No. Alright, Bond Game is right next to the N2. As soon as you cross the bridge, you turn left onto a tar road. You just go straight and you cross another tar road. And you go through a gate where you see restaurant and game drives onto a gravel road. You just follow that gravel road and that will bring you to the gate. You just go as close as possible to the gate and then the gate will automatically open. And then as you drive in, you'll see the sign there, what you can and cannot do in the park. And then you just follow that road. It's very beautiful. It's a nice gravel road. You just go down the hill until you see all the buildings at the bottom there. And then as you enter the grounds there, you turn right towards the reception.
Oh, there's Marlo the giraffe.
Oh wow,
Gee,
that's far, but let me zoom in a bit.
wow. With a
Gee.
naked eye, you can see him very nice.
Sure,
Yes,
Marlo.
Marlo the giraffe.
Huh.
It's
We
walking.
must invite Marlo for a drink, Mama.
Yeah, he can just come over the
Yeah, he can just put his head through
end.
there.
Yeah.
Come, let's go and get the stuff. Yes, see Marlo.
Gee.
It looks huge, huh?
Yeah.
Yo. Shout out alert. We want to do the shout out from Mike Treater to his lovely wife Mel Treater.
Woohoo!
Ooh, Mama, how you doing? And Mike said he wished to spoil you as many times at these hot up accommodations and adventures as what we are doing.
Yes.
That's
that's
amazing.
A great spoil.
Yeah.
Wow.
But before we go on, let me just open that bottle.
Yes, please. I'm getting scratchy.
Let me pour us a drinky.
Yes. Thank you, Mike, for buying us a brandy and a Monster.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
In December, it's always welcome. Huh?
Yes.
Always welcome.
January is ons weer leeg.
You lie, Mama, you lie.
Ooh, but
Jan-
we still have to break this one.
Yeah, thank you. One of our subscribers gave this to us as a present. Very, very nice.
Hurry up,
Mama,
I've
you lie.
got something to say.
I just wanted to say, in January, you're going to lie on the beach with a cocktail, Mama.
Yes.
Huh?
Every cocktail I can find.
That's it. Cheers. On Mike,
Mel and Mike.
Mel and Mike Treater, thank you very much for the shout out. That's it.
Don't down it.
Oh, it's always nice, always nice.
Okay, Mel, there's only one condition. Mike said, you on platter duty.
Oh my goodness.
And another thing he said is, you competing with me.
Oh, the pressure, the pressure.
I'm not a platter guru, but
You're
I'm
professional,
sure,
Mama. You're professional.
I just put the things on the plate. But Mike said, he supply the bubbles and you on snack patrol.
Oh, I want pictures, Mike. Remember to take pictures. We want to see it.
Yes, please.
Especially the one with the platter and the drinky in the hot tub.
Yeah.
Send it to us, please.
Yes.
Another thing Mike said, he said, together, you can keep doing it together. The treater style.
True treater style.
True treater style.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means, but
True.
That sounds very interesting. Cheers, Mama.
you too.
Cheers, Mel. Mike, have a great New Year's, and we'll see you in the
We'll see you in a hot
2026.
tub somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere in the hot tub.
Yes.
Back to the video. Yo, my love, you look beautiful next to your new car, huh? It's not your car, but yeah.
GIC Imku.
GIC Imku. It's a brand new Imku from Somerset West GIC. And yeah, thank you guys.
Oh
Kobus,
my.
thank you very much for sorting out our ride for this weekend. I must say, in the beginning I thought, ooh, these Chinese cars, I don't know what's going to happen with them. I don't trust them. But
But
this,
I want one.
you want one. After this
want
drive here,
one.
you want one. This
This
car
is
is
the
just
most
crazy.
modern car I've ever driven in.
It's amazing.
Have you got the keys?
No, but you don't need the key.
Open the
Look
doors.
at that. You just walk to it
Look
and
at
it
that. Did you
opens.
see that?
It opens by
Look
itself.
at that. That's the
Huh?
first feature I saw.
I'm not going to show them the car now. I'll do that tomorrow. But this
That's
thing is
amazing,
amazing. Yeah,
amazing.
very, very nice. And it's got a huge boot.
Yes.
Mama. We need to
Which you
unpack.
have to empty now.
We like springkanne. We hop all
Hop,
over, all
hop,
over.
hop.
But look at that. Also
Spinnacle.
goes up by itself. Nice
Very
big boot.
Nice.
Oh, we packed too much again.
Oh, it's got this thing that you can pull.
You can pull it.
I like
Yeah,
it.
I know,
I
yeah.
like it a lot.
So you can just hide everything you've got
yes,
here. Oops, there we go.
that's good.
Yeah, it's nice. That's a nice car, I must say. I'll show you the car tomorrow and all the features.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
it. How's it, Mama? Here we go. Best time of my life. Opening a bottle of brandy, huh? And listen to it. You think it's gonna do something?
I hope
Huh?
so.
Let's
I
listen.
Hope so.
Let's listen. Yeah, a little bit. Wasn't that great, but it's something. Mama, you want a big one or a small one?
Medium.
I'm just going big again. Like that?
No, that's too small.
Too small. Well, then you can just as well
Okay, that's good.
go with me, huh? You're sitting there like a lady,
Yeah, I'm just pulling your.
watching the animals.
Trousers.
Huh? Some ices. Oops, there
Oh,
we go.
goodness.
So, maar don't
That
worry,
is a strafdop.
That's strafdop. I'll
A
take one any day.
strafdop.
I'll take one any day. That's for the animals, man. They also like something cold. Woo, woo. Mama, this weekend it's sugar.
Ooh.
Huh? There was no sugar.
Ooh.
So this is a sugary one.
Goodness gracious.
But I know you can handle it.
Great balls of fire.
I just want to get it in my mouth. Oh, I'll say, my love, that one is yours, yeah?
Don't get
I want to sit
confused.
with you. Huh?
Okay.
I want to sit with you. No, I want to look at the animals. I see the zebras are here. Look at
Yes,
that.
the zebras down there.
Yeah, the zebras are here, puppy. And the sables, they all together. Oh, no, you're gonna sit like this now. Turn around,
I'm
turn
just afraid.
Turn around.
Very afraid.
Oh, of the weight.
Yeah.
Oh no, man, this is a.
It's double wall.
This is a heavy duty one. Say. Cheers, my love. On going places, seeing new places, finding all the gems in our country.
You, that's good.
Huh?
That's a good one.
Very, very nice. I love it here. We've only been here for 2 hours. I already love it here. I love it. I love it. I love nature.
Open
I love
spaces.
being between animals.
Yes.
And I see the giraffe is coming closer and closer.
Yeah, I wonder when he's gonna get here.
I don't know, but we're gonna wait for him.
It's gonna take some time, but maybe we can have a nice sunset.
Yeah, I think we must just sit here and wait for him to come here to the waterhole. I don't think we must make too much noise tonight.
No, because you scare away the animals.
You're gonna scare away the animals, yeah. And I want them all to come here.
Yeah, we're not going to feed the animals.
No.
We're just watching the
Now
animals.
we're finished with that. People took us out because we fed the animals in Marlow Park like crazy. But everybody there does it.
Yeah, we didn't know.
Yeah, we didn't know.
We thought they sell the pellets for you to feed the animals.
They do, but they don't. Apparently, they don't want you to hand feed them. You must just throw the pellets there.
We didn't know that.
I didn't,
and it
because
was the most amazing thing in
Yeah.
my whole life.
Yeah, it was amazing. But we won't do it again. Maybe. Just a small little dekertjies. But not the big kudus again. Cheers. On living on the edge.
Oh, goodness. Oh, and they've got a mineral bath.
Just next door, I saw it now.
Yes.
We must actually show them.
Yeah, it's quite nice also. They
Let's-
say it's good for the skin.
Let's go there. Let's walk with the drinks. Okay, let's go and show them.
Okay.
Yeah. You haven't even been there. I want to show you as well. Okay, it's right next to us.
Yeah.
My love, did you see the bridge here? Huh?
Yes,
look at
it's
this.
a beautiful bridge.
Right next to us. Look at that bridge there.
Imagine they were still jumping from there. You just hear.
Yo, I actually jumped off there. I was 22 years old.
I remember that.
Remember?
I
And
was with you.
I bungee jumped off that bridge.
I was with you.
You were with me, yeah.
And I would just walk to there where the bridge started.
you
Do
were
you remember?
you were supposed to jump as well.
I've never in my life. This is now one thing I'll never do. I'm so sorry.
You don't like heights.
No.
I say, my love, you can go in there. I want to just put my hands in there because apparently it's got so many
Minerals.
good things, minerals in there. Yeah.
7 types of minerals.
7 types of minerals.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
It's very good for you.
Okay, yeah, you can
It's
actually
good
see
for
it.
blood clotting. It's for the damage. It repairs damaged tissues. It's good for high blood pressure. You must get in.
High blood pressure. Mama,
Yes.
then I must get in here. Huh? Apparently
Feel the
they say
water.
I've got high blood pressure. I don't know. She and my doctor said I've got high blood pressure. So I don't understand. I don't feel it.
Feel the water.
You can
It's-
smell it as well.
It's like minerals. Put it on your
Sure.
face. It takes wrinkles away.
It's funny you don't put your face in there. just
Oh.
dunk it in there. Okay, that's nice. It's got a very strange smell, huh?
Iron.
It's got an iron smell, yeah.
It's got iron in there. There's sodium, potassium,
Yotta, huh?
calcium,
You've got all the information.
magnesium.
Whoa, my love, what am I going to do with you, huh? You see,
Makes you clever.
it makes you clever. Let's walk there.
Okay.
Mama, we're going to give the sables and the zebras a drinky. Huh?
Oh my word. You know, this is monster. Tonight they all,
They turn into monsters.
yes, they turn into monsters.
Oh, yeah.
Energetic monsters.
There's a
There's
Nyala as
all.
well. There's a Nyala coming there.
Okay, you must just walk slowly.
No, I'm not going to chase them away, don't
Oh,
worry. You
goodness.
see the male Nyala at the back?
That's nice, yeah. Oh my goodness, but that zebras is nice.
I'm going to just... The sun isn't so nice now, so I'm going to just walk past them and then film them from the other side.
Oh, beautiful.
Lazan, it's so strange to walk here and to think that we drive over that bridge so often.
Yeah.
And you don't look this way. You never see this here. huh?
Yeah. And it's so amazing place.
Yeah, yes. It's so nice. Look at now you can see the animals nicely.
Yes.
There we go.
They've got quite a big space where they can roam around. But I'm gonna make my way to that tractor there.
It looks like a wagon that they use to take the people on game drives. You see? Yeah, it's got benches and everything. Mama, it's got a braai on it.
Oh no,
Huh?
goodness.
Yo, this will be so nice. I'm
you
sure.
see-
I think they use this when there's a big group of people, like
Yeah.
a party or
Yeah.
or in function or something.
My, this is
Huh?
very
How
nice.
cool is this? Yo, this is Waalapa.
Waalapa.
Yeah, they call it a Waalapa for hire. It's for hire. Look at that lekker braaitjie there, huh?
This is goodness.
This is so nice, huh?
great.
Yes, I would love it.
Wow, for
Oh,
a
we can-
year-end function.
For a year in function.
What about YouTube doing it together year-end function. Who are we going to invite?
You guys gonna come? Tell us who wants to come and we can do it.
Yeah.
But I love the time this video comes out. It's year end already.
It's already gone.
So maybe we must do this for next year. Year end, maybe on the 31st. I don't know what day that's gonna be. The 31st of December. We take this and we cruise around you the whole day. Huh?
Yeah.
That'll be so nice.
What about camping the whole weekend?
Mama, you just want to go big. I must say you look very gorgeous in this setting. Huh?
Yeah.
My love. Yeah, you're a pretty woman. Just look at your backdrop. On the river. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, but
there's not a lot of water in there now.
river, yeah. That's
Imagine
why.
that water is like full.
Yeah, then it will be nice.
Yeah.
Imagine going around here with a hovercraft.
Yeah.
Up and down,
that'll
up
be
and
so
down.
Nice. I just wish we can do it tomorrow.
Oh, I don't
Really?
know. There's no water.
There's no water and the wind is going to be bad, so you never know. My love, we must run now.
Oh, you
Come. It's raining. You can't believe it.
Come
Hè?
on.
This is like Jakkalstroom met Wolf se vrou.
Well, I'm not a big jogger.
Jakkalstroom met Wolf se vrou.
Hey.
The sun is shining,
Yeah,
but it's
want
raining.
to go get
But
raining.
look at this dark cloud coming here. Oh, I think it's just this cloud that's throwing some raindrops now. Yes, but it's dark, huh? Jeez.
Oh, what's happening?
Yo. And there's the restaurant there,
Yes,
up
very
there.
nice.
We'll show that to you tomorrow.
Yeah. Where's that bug going?
That Nyala's got a special, I think he's got a
Hiding
scallopy
away.
there. He's got a scallopy there.
Oh, jette.
That Nyala's got two wyfies. One is around the corner there and the other one is around the other corner.
Scallop. Come check this out.
What did you find?
A big call. Hot up.
What? Oh, it's gonna rain now. I feel the drops. Wow!
Look at this big.
Jeez. This
You
is like a farm dam.
Yeah, you can ask them if there's a lot of campers. I think you
Jeez.
can ask them to fill it up. There's a nice braai place here.
Wow.
Jeez,
this is a cool
nice.
spot.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
There's the braai and there's the bridge.
There's the bridge.
So you're right
nice
underneath the bridge.
view. Yeah.
Yes, this is
Very
cool,
nice.
huh?
Yeah.
Yes, see. And Mama, you can tan here as well.
you can have
but now
tan.
we must
Let's
go
go.
because you feel the drops.
I see.
We're gonna get rained on now. Just gooi a shortcut here. Come. Through the woods here.
We're now in the process of building new chalets, and then the plan is that house that we are staying in, that big house, they are going to change to a spa.
Oh,
Yeah.
lekker.
That
Look
would
at
be
this.
nice. Oh, they've got one elephant
One
as well.
elephant. That's not a big one. This must be a Thailand elephant, huh?
He's very friendly.
It's very friendly, huh? Land of smiles.
Yeah, and then there on that side, there's a chapel. So
Oh.
they do weddings here as well. Look at this nice clock.
So it's a wedding,
A church clock.
a wedding venue as well.
Year-end functions they keep here. It's bachelors, bachelorettes,
Yeah,
everything.
they've got the whole toot here.
Yeah, birthday parties.
This is the restaurant here, but
Yeah,
we'll come and visit
show
that
this
tomorrow.
Barney Bonato.
Barney Bonato.
Yeah, it's a grill.
Oh, it's a grill. Apparently, it's quite popular.
Yes.
People from Riversdale
over.
in Mossel Bay, they all come here.
Yeah, they open from 9 to 5.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Huh. Okay, there we go. That's our house there.
Whose nice car is that?
Mama, stop it.
Jeez, I want one. I want one.
Ooh, what am I going to do with you?
Buy me one.
Okay, let's go party, Papi. Huh?
Yeah.
Let's go get into the hot tub. But we've got a problem. One small problem. It's not a problem for us, but it's a problem for you. For YouTube. Mama forgot her bathing costume. Her swimsuit. She didn't bring any swimsuit, so...
But I can improvise.
And we told the people that came and showed us this house this afternoon, we told him, and he said, it doesn't matter, you're on your own here, you can go naked, do a skinny dip. I said, yeah, that's fine.
naked. Ek en jy naked.
We can do that. But then what about YouTube? So I'm gonna,
YouTube.
I think I'm gonna give you my t-shirt. You can just wear my t-shirt.
You are so friendly.
Huh?
Generous.
We must do something. I can see a light. What?
Ooh,
Look at that.
ooh.
Oh my goodness.
It's like do
Wow, look at the clean water.
deep blue.
So is there also minerals in here?
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
That looks so nice. Oh, I'm gonna get in there now.
Smell the same.
Is it the same?
It
Maybe.
feels soft. The
soft.
water feels
It
soft,
doesn't smell the same to me. No, it's not the same.
but it feels soft on your
Yeah.
skin.
Okay, I'm gonna get my Speedo. I can give you one of my Speedos.
I've got a panty,
You've got a
a
panty.
black panty.
Oh shit.
I'm a Black Panther this weekend.
Okay.
Oh, baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Oh, some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium.
Oh, look at all the animals.
Oh wow. Huh?
Oh, there's the giraffe as well.
My goodness, it's not a big one, huh?
It's big from here.
And the zebras
Oh,
and
they're very playful.
the springbokkies. huh?
Yes, they're jumping
Yes.
all around. It's like a party all over
And
again.
it's so nice, it's so close to the house.
Yes, you can see it with your. It's just in front of this lawn.
Oh, it's very, very nice,
Oh
huh?
my goodness.
Wow, my love, this is a great place.
This is
I
a
love
great
it. I
place.
love it. I love it.
Can you imagine bringing Zelma and Limery and they're sitting on this chair and it's like, Opa, Oma, kijk.
You still want to just take the babies all over. I'll say cheers, my love. Finally, we're rustig, huh? Cheers.
Cheers.
We're gonna get in the hot tub now. We're just gonna prepare the food quickly. I see there's a very healthy platter on its way.
Fruit platter.
Fruit platter. Ooh, lekker, lekker. I'm going to make us a lovely skaapribbetjie vanaand. Yeah, I don't
What
know.
type of ribbitjie are
I
you
don't know how
making?
you say this in English. A skaapribbetjie is a skaapribbetjie. You can a rack of lamb, but this is not a lamb. I think it's a tweetand. So how do you say that? It's a
Het jy die
it's
tande
a
uitgehaal?
rack of sheep. What we have to do is we have to get this very dry. We must get all the moisture out of this ribbetjie.
Preferably, you use a towel.
Yeah, not these things because they just stick to it. I dried it off before, so it's quite dry. It should be alright. And then you just gooi the salt, puppy. You gooi the salt.
But you haven't told me yet how
What?
are you going to prepare it.
I'm gonna do it on the fire. On this, it's a staande rib.
Oh, my goodness.
You talk in riddles, so I don't understand you. But Mama, look at this. And don't worry about the salt. I know I've got high blood pressure, but it's gonna come off. This is just
Oh,
to take
my word.
all the moisture out. You
I
see
hope
there?
our doctor is not watching.
He's watching, he's watching. There we go. This is just to suck out all the moisture so that this fat can become lekker crispy. Right, it's been about 45 minutes. I've put the rib on. Most of the salt is gone. You can see it's nice and moist now. So it took all the moisture out. So now this is just going to stand here like that. Ooh, that is the way a staande rib works. While I make fire, that thing cooks. Takes a while, takes a long time, but we're not in a hurry. That's why I started early tonight. But that is heavenly. That's so nice. Oh, it feels like we're in a spa, huh? Yes, this is so nice and beautiful, huh? I love this light.
Yeah.
Yo, this is so cool.
Heavenly blue.
And thank you very much. Thank you for all this lovely snackies. I can see you've put a lot of effort, especially in this one. Huh? It's beautiful, thank you.
All flowery.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, it's so nice. I love you.
I love you too.
And I like your swimming costume.
I'm very
Huh?
sporty with my
I'm
fila.
telling you with your fila.
My
huh?
fila top
Ja, lekker.
and my speedo.
Hoe sê hulle boer maak 'n plan? Huh?
Maak 'n plan.
Well, you in. Lekker. Mama, I'm gonna pop a champagne for us.
Ooh, On the New Year.
On the New Year. We're gonna celebrate 2026 tonight. Huh?
Ooh.
Because it's almost there. It's almost there. And I'm telling you, 2025 was amazing.
Yes.
I don't know how we're gonna top 2025,
But we're gonna
but
do
I've
it.
got a feeling 2026 is just gonna be ridiculous. Huh? You think so? I
It's
think
gonna
so.
start on a very good
Yeah, it's gonna start very, very
A
nice.
few days from now, we are flying.
Oh, this one just came out. I'm sorry. That one just couldn't. He couldn't hold it in anymore. Yo, nice. And look at me. I'm holding it skew for you. You see?
Oh my goodness.
No.
Perfection.
No bubbles get waste.
Perfection.
This is gonna be so nice. Yo, let's put the bottle back. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
On 2026,
Oh, it's gonna
may
be.
all your wishes come true.
Oh, I've not got many left. Everything came through already.
Yeah, that's why I say 2025 was just ridiculous, but I'm sure 2026 is going to be just as good.
Oh, I know. It's
Just
gonna
as good.
Start very nice.
For a month
Yeah, it's
of
gonna start.
vacation. Woo! And I wish you all a happy New Year as well.
And we hope your 26 is also gonna be the best one ever.
Just as nice, yeah. Cheers, Mama. Thank you, BC Wines, for amazing champagne.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
cheers.
you very much.
Lekker, slap op, papi.
Bottles galore.
Oh, I love this bath. Huh? This is. It feels like a spa,
Yeah.
but it also feels like a hot tub.
It also, yeah.
Because
and you
it's
don't
so-
need wood.
No, it's nice and hot, and it's so
Because it's a
huge.
Big thing, yeah.
It's
to heat
huge.
up.
Yo,
You just press
Very
a
nice.
button and voila.
voila! Woo, I think we're gonna have a great evening in this thing,
Oh
huh?
my
Because we've got the staanrup there. What is a staanrup in English for the English people? Upright rib.
Comment please.
Yeah, upright
and tell
rib.
us what is the
This-
staanrup in English.
There's some words in Afrikaans that you just cannot translate.
No, they come out so nice.
Yeah,
You can't-
staanrup.
Yeah.
But I'm sure they will understand upright rib. It just stands
Yeah, well,
upright.
give us a nice name for it, man.
Yeah, but it's going on. I can see it's getting a little bit of
Colour.
a gloss on it already. Yeah.
I hope all that salt falls off.
That when I put it on, it was gone already. It was just moist.
Okay. Because I want you healthy,
Healthy.
for 2026.
I'm so healthy. My doctor knows I'm very healthy. I actually did some blood tests the other day, and everything came out
Very good.
number one.
Number one.
My love, thank you very much. I see we've got this lovely dip again. This magical dip.
Very nice dip that. You just mix it with sour cream. It's so amazing nice.
This is the unhealthy one. This is the healthy one.
And I see you're not touching this one.
Not at the moment. No. I see now. I see the flowers.
Do you see the flowers?
I
That
see
was the
all
whole idea.
I see all the flowers.
All the
That's
greenery
beautiful.
in between.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And this is also a flower basket
you're so-
with a flower in the
Mama, you're
middle.
so clever, huh? Cheers. Take a big sip.
Ooh, the bubbles.
Woo, this is nice. I can just hop around here for
Hours and hours.
Oh, this is so lekker. I need some more champagne, please.
You, but you're quick.
This stuff is so nice. It's like cool drink.
Oh, I brought some orange juice for a mimosa.
For tomorrow
But it's
morning.
not gonna make us a
No, it's not gonna
mimosa.
make it. It's not gonna make it. And I don't want you to fall behind.
Okay.
I need you tipsy tonight.
Oh my word! Why is that?
Why?
Are we gonna ride on a zebra?
We can do that. We're all alone. We can do that. You're gonna catch the zebra and I'll just jump on it.
More like that.
My love, I'm so impressed with you. Huh? Look at your bikini top. Huh? Yo,
Hey!
you really know how to transform a t-shirt into a bikini top. Turn around, let me see. Yo, if you can just keep it at the back, not
Yeah.
with your hand, just like
I need
with
something.
a knippie, of a doeke speld.
'n doekespel.
Ja, lekker man, huh? That's sexy. Mama, this is the last champagne again.
Ag my lord.
I only brought one bottle. So from now on,
It's
I've
wine.
wine o'clock. I brought some wine as well.
Mountains, high oceans, blue. Every road leads me to you. Shining stars guide our feet.
Cheers. Was that lekker now?
Follow the beat.
Come on, let's get
Much
out.
better than
Let's
just
go.
normal.
I'm wrinkled. Look at my hands. I'm like fully old person now.
I'm so sorry
I'm
for you.
wrinkled. How's it, my love? We're gonna do the
The side.
side. I wanted to say the bijgereg, the add-on. Mm. This wine is so nice. What I'm gonna do is, I don't know what the name is, but I've made it a couple of times. I'm just gonna put the onions in first. Eh? I've got a lekker. Oh, listen to that. Got a lekker warm potjie here with some oil in it. And I'm just gonna put the onions in there. As I.
Do you want me to organize you a table?
For this.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
can't
that'll
stand
be-
with it in your hand all day
Oh,
long.
that'll be nice.
Okay, can I bring this big
Oh,
table?
wait. I saw something this afternoon. Can you hold this for me? Look at this. This is gonna be magic. Look at this. I forgot to show you. Look at this.
What
look at
are
this.
you doing?
My goodness.
Ah,
Look at that. Huh?
a bench.
That's a lekker bench for you. I'm sure you can sit here.
Sit and braai, ja.
You can sit and braai.
Oh my word.
It's cool, huh?
No,
But
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
use it as a
I
table.
don't know anymore.
I'm gonna use it as a table. That's it. So I can put all my thingies on there.
Okay.
My wine as well that I put on there. This is so nice. Huh? This is such a nice drinking wine. Which one is this? I can't remember. This is... Oh, this is the Ruby Cabernet. Okay, lekker. This is a very nice drinking wine, I must say. Mama, BC Wines. I just love it that they saw us and they're giving us all these nice wines.
Always a winner.
Yeah, and I see on our WhatsApp group, the people love this wine.
Yeah.
They buy it and they put photos on our WhatsApp group to show us that they're drinking the wine and they're loving it.
They're
say,
loving it,
They all
yeah.
say it's such a cheap wine, but it's so freaking nice.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's very
Yes.
nice. So thank you, BC.
I
I'm
think
gonna-
you must just check the onions quickly.
I'm gonna put you here as well, next to my glass. Yeah, I'm gonna, but all of a sudden the onions just died. Oh no, it's still going on.
Oh my goodness.
No, it's still going on. It's still going on. Yeah, it's still going on. It's going strong.
The fire is on, the staan rib is on.
Look at the standard, Mama. Just look at that. Look at that. That thing is getting a color like crazy.
Look out for the camera, it's on fire.
No, it's just the flames. Mama, you mustn't take over my job, huh?
You abandoned me.
Is the onion soft?
It's soft.
It's soft, so I can put the rest in.
It's hot as hell.
I'm gonna put in all the peppers.
Green, orange and...
Green and orange. Now we've only got green and orange tonight.
And yellow.
But you can, yeah, the yellow. But you can do the red as well.
I just thought,
red peppers is also quite nice.
yeah, I just thought the tomatoes is red and I want a bit of color in my
I know
life.
you. I know you. I don't know what you call them, but it's the sweet
Little
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
And you put them all in.
Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes. There we go, Mama. I knew, you know. I just don't want to put this in because this is the side of the onion.
Jeez,
Oh,
got us hot in
delicious,
this little
delicious. Now they must all just simmer. They must all marry. They must just have a party. Okay, and then on top, you put the feta. You just crumble the feta.
Listen.
Mama, I'm wasting some feta. I'm sorry.
It looks like you're in the oven from this side.
Yeah, it's quite hot here, but I'm putting in all the feta here on top. Look, we're making it, this must be a big pot, but we're just the two of us. So I'm making a small pot. But you won't believe how nice this is. Just for a side. There's no vegetables tonight, but this is going to be our vegetable. Oh, there we go. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Come and have a look. So that is the way you do it. And then it just...
That's a lot of feta.
No, but that's the way, it must melt in, it must sink in.
Okay.
And then we take oregano. The ones you put on the pizzas.
Yeah.
And you shake that in there. Lekker oregano, Papi. I can't do it like this because I want the big old.
The bigger.
Yeah, I want...
Because you're a big guy.
No, man, I just want plenty in there. Ooh, look at that, look at that. And some salt. Woo, lekker. My doctor loves me. And some black pepper. Oh, and then you can even, but we didn't bring with, you can even put a little bit of bacon in there, bacon pieces. That'll be very, very nice. And then the secret ingredient, garlic. It's better to put fresh garlic in, but we didn't have that. So we're gonna do the
vinnige version.
pieces or the chopped up garlic. Oh, Mama, where are you gonna sleep tonight? Look at that. Oh, it smells like a pizza, my love.
Okay, put on the lid.
Ooh, that smells so nice. And then you put the lid on and you just leave it for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the heat. So we're not gonna touch that again.
Yeah, because my temperature is through the roof.
Mama, look at that.
Jeez.
That thing, I must just turn it. Look at that thing. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my word. That is so nice.
Gee,
It's almost there. It's almost there.
I think I must go take a cold plunge now.
You can take a cold plunge. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Mama. I enjoy my time here. This is where I'm at my happiest. In front of the fire, inside of the fire, next to the meat and the lekker goedjies. Very nice. Okay, now for the final push. I've got a mixture of Jimmy sauce and this amazing jalapeno sticky sauce available on our website. Just saying. You mix the two, you will not believe what you taste. So I take that mixture of Jimmy sauce and jalapeno sauce. And I pour it over this rib. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Just gooi it, Papi. Ooh, this is heaven. And then you take a kwassie and you just brush it in all over. Oh my God, I wish you can smell this. The smell is insane. Mama, you laugh at me. This is crazy, the smell. Huh? The smell is ridiculous. And then we just flip it. And we do the other side as well. I know it's not necessary to do the bone side, but I just like it. Ooh, goodness, goodness, goodness. This is all just goodness. And then you just take your brush and you just brush it again. Oh, nice. And I can almost smell the other side. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Immediately it gets like a glossy shine to it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hop. Ooh, Papi, look at that. That is almost done. I can just see it. That is almost done. We didn't even have a dancey tonight. Huh? There was just no time. It was so busy.
You were so busy cooking up a storm.
But you can dance with me now. Huh? Cooking up a storm.
Yeah,
I like my food. I like making
in
food.
the fire.
I just love it. If I can have a hot tub, a fire, and food to cook on the fire,
Yeah, then you're a
This-
happy man.
nothing better than that.
You just missed one thing.
What?
What about
And a
me?
hot wife.
Yeah, what about me?
A hot wife next to me. Well, that's just the
Oh,
bonus.
you just lost about 100 points.
Oh my goodness, that's just a bonus, Mama. I know, you know, and I know that we don't go anywhere without each other.
Yeah,
We're
but
doing it together.
just say it out loudly for everybody to
We
hear.
are doing it together.
Together.
Always and ever. Forever. My love. Women, they always want to be reassured.
We actually want to be number 1 on the list.
Oh yeah, sorry. And I said braai and hot tub and all of that is number 1.
Yeah.
But you always, because you're always next to me. You always.
Stop it.
Oh,
You're gonna work
I'm
hard
just
for
gonna
that
put
100 points.
I'm just gonna put my foot in that one. I think another 5 minutes and we can eat. Mama, my foot are juk.
Maar krap hulle?
My foot are juk. Go. Will you dance? You wanna dance with me, huh? Woo! My voete juk, pap. My voete juk. Nou word hulle gekrap. Woo! Ag, die lewe is lekker. Okay. Hey, I've still got my
Groove on.
I've still got my gown on. My towel on. Mama, tomorrow we're gonna see some animals.
Oh,
We're gonna do the game drive, Poppy. We're gonna do it in the wind. They're expecting
go for.
strong winds tomorrow, but we don't mind. We're gonna do it. Huh? We're gonna sit on the back of that bakkie. Fucking
Clinging to
frozen.
each other.
But we're gonna watch the animals. You only be mine. Thank you, my love.
life.
But you only be mine. I just changed the words to
I see.
suit me. I say cheers, my love. We
Cheers.
here. You didn't think we're gonna get here,
No, wow. I didn't think we're
but
gonna
we're
make
here.
it.
We're here, and we've got a crispy. Listen to this. Listen to that.
Tikkie boude, tikkie boude.
Crispy skin. Lekker crispy skin. And
Oh goodness, this is hot.
I'm
This is hot.
I'm gonna open this. It's hot, yeah. What? No, it's not that hot.
Oh,
I'm just
put
gonna
it on that board.
I'm gonna put it this side. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
My goodness.
Look at that! Oh, just smell it. You smell it?
Pizza.
It smells like a pizza. I love it. Nou, daai is ons groente vir vanaand. Papi.
Lekker,
Huh?
nee?
Sure, mama. I'm gonna eat like Flintstones tonight.
Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah.
eat like this with my hands tonight. I just feel like it. Huh? But I think I'm gonna put the camera off.
Yes, please. You're not gonna do that.
We're not gonna show them
People
that.
showing
Huh?
the They will never watch again.
People, I eat sometimes. That the grease sits
Ach, nou sis my.
to my ears.
Now you
Huh?
don't have a beard.
No, not the bar, but the grease on my.
It's
because
like dripping here all the time.
you take the whole bone and you eat it like this,
Oh my
and
goodness.
it just goes around here.
A smiley.
So yeah, before I do that, cheers, Mama. Thank
Cheers.
you for a great day again, and tomorrow is gonna be even better. Huh?
Even better.
So what's the time now? My goodness, it's 11:20. Mama, that's still early. We're gonna. Why don't this phone want to go down? I say, we're still gonna get into that. That thing is still hot.
Oh, in the hot tub.
Yeah, can we do that? We put off all the lights. We're alone, Mama.
Yeah.
All the lights. We just keep the lanterntjie.
Bakkie on.
And we just, like we came out as a baby.
Like we came out.
Yeah, like we
Adam
came
en
out as a
Eva.
baby. Yeah, we just do it like that. Because you didn't bring your bathing.
My bathing suit is still wet.
Yeah, and the guy said today, you can
Yeah.
Just
You expect.
go skinny dipping. There's nobody here. Mama, we're talking a lot. Cheers.
Cheers.
We will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, it's on a game drive. Cheers, Mama. I'm sorry. I have to interrupt. We can't go to sleep and just leave them hanging. People, this rib. Mama?
Not just the rib. A combination.
The combination of the rib and this, I don't know what you call that, loveliness. It is just amazing, huh? Yo, this is, I must say, we make a lot of food, or I make a lot of food. This is some of the best meat and the best combination, the two together. It's like sweet and salty and, huh? Oh, I'm gonna sit here the whole night and eat. Just
Oh
eat.
my goodness.
Now we can say good night. Bye.
Bye.
Morning, my love. How's the head?
Morning.
Huh?
That's okay.
It's okay. You look beautiful this morning.
I think.
Listen, yeah, we were supposed to go on a game drive this morning, but the wind and it was just raining now.
Raining, yeah.
So we decided we're gonna rather use the restaurant and have some breakfast.
Nice.
And then maybe later on, if the
we
weather,
die down.
if the weather, I don't know if it's gonna change, but he said it's gonna be like this the whole day.
Yeah,
But maybe you never know. We might be lucky.
That's what Windfinder also says.
It might change. So maybe later after this afternoon we'll go on a game drive, huh?
Yeah, that will also be nice.
Yeah, lekker. But for now,
But
I'm hungry. I need some greasiness.
I must tell you, we saw lots of the animals yesterday afternoon,
Yeah,
which was great.
yeah.
So it won't be such a disappointment if we can't go.
No, but it's still nice
It's
to go
just-
on a game drive.
yes.
Yeah, it's very. I like to sit on the back of that bakkie and just go through all the crevices looking for the animals.
4x4
Yeah, you find us at a seat.
at the window.
Yeah, right in the corner there.
Yeah, lekker.
Look at this, look at this. This is the bridge, a scale model of the bridge.
Oh,
Huh? That's cool, huh?
ja, dis mooi.
Sure, very nice. And then I want to show you, look at this bar. They've got a nice bar here. Môre, môre. Ek wil net gou vir iets op kyk. I think we must come and drink a drink here this afternoon,
Lekker.
huh?
Hallo.
That looks very
Ja,
nice.
lekker cozy. O, kyk uit die
Wow. Jeez. En die chandelier, mama, that's cool. Okay, ons gaan vanmiddag 'n doppie hier kom drink, definitief.
Ja. Kyk, maar ons moet nou eers gou 'n ontbytjie eet. Iets
Ja.
in die maag kry.
Okay, waar gaan ons sit?
Kom maar daar.
Ja, in die hoek sit. Is dit?
Dankie.
Okay, dan sit ons daar.
Ja.
Sy. So as die diere kom kan ons hulle sommer hier vanaf sien, ja.
Baie dankie.
Kan ek vir julle 'n koffietjie bring of so nou al?
This is a nice restaurant, huh?
I love it.
Wow. I love the open window or the sliding windows
Come
that you
see
can
all around.
open, yeah.
And then later with lunch, all the animals is going to be here.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Quite cool. And look
And you can
behind you, the
sit
bridge.
outside.
The bridge is right behind you.
Yes. And if it's a nice summer day, you can sit outside.
Oh, outside as
Yeah,
well.
this open up.
cool.
Everything opens up.
Yeah, it's very, very nice, I must say. I wanted something greasy now, but you know what? I've seen something that I've never had before.
Yeah.
A breakfast pizza.
Goodness gracious.
I'm gonna have a breakfast pizza with boerewors, onions, mushrooms, scrambled eggs and tomatoes on it.
Oh,
Huh?
wow. Okay.
That looks so nice.
Yes.
Oh, sounds nice.
Yep.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay, you take that one. I'm taking the Banting stack.
The Banting stack. Oh, right at the bottom there.
It's got everything except brood.
Brood. You don't want the brood. You can have a piece of my pizza
Yes.
for the brood side. My liewe ouers, my life, huh? How are we gonna eat all of this? Look at that. Huh?
But it's nice. It's a thin crust.
Yeah, I
It
see, yeah.
looks
But that's a
amazing.
whole breakfast on a pizza. I've never
That's
seen
so-
something like this. Look at that, sausages
Yeah,
and everything is on
mushrooms.
here.
Oh, it looks
And
nice.
yours, look at that thing.
Wow.
That almost looks like an egg Benedict, but there's no bun there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a Banting one.
It's like a
It's like
it's a
fine
patty.
dining, but it's a good portion.
Yeah, is that a patty and bacon and egg and
Yeah.
and
that's
then the
cheese
hollandaise
and the
sauce.
hollandaise sauce.
yes,
yeah.
it looks nice.
And the mushrooms.
Number 2, cheers.
Oh, lekker.
Yeah, I think this was a good choice.
Yep.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Mama, give me the verdict. How's your food?
The most delicious thing I've ever eaten for a breakfast.
It's amazing. I had a little happy and it's crazy, huh?
Wow, baie lekker.
That patty is so succulent.
Succulent and it's medium. They made it exactly medium, and the egg is like oozing, and the
Well, I must say that's
hollandaise sauce is very nice.
Mine is also quite nice, but after I've tasted that,
Yeah, I've had a lot of hollandaise, eggs Benedicts at different places, but this patty.
but I think that one, it's got the smokiness of the bacon onto the patty. It's
Yeah.
just ridiculous.
Yeah, this
That
is very, very
amazing.
nice. Yeah.
Next time I'm going to have that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, while we're waiting for the weather to clear up a little bit, it's already a little bit better. Before we can go on our game drive, let me show you this amazing MQ from GAC Somerset West. It is really, really a very impressive little car. Well, it's not that little. It's quite a... I think they call it a crossover or a SUV or something. But it's really very, very nice. Look at this. As soon as you come closer, the doors go open and look at these handles. That's like nothing I've ever seen. It's got all the bells and whistles. I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. Look at that nice big screen. This car's got lane assist. It's got adaptive speed control. It's got everything. This car drives by itself. It just wants you to... I tested it yesterday, and as soon as you leave, take your hands off the steering wheel, it actually tells you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. But this car, you can just hold the steering wheel and it just drives by itself. It's amazing how this thing just keeps it in the center of the lane. It brakes when there's a car in front of you. It just knows. It shows you on the screen there's a human in front, there's a car in front, there's a truck in front. It's amazing. I'm quite old school, and to see all of this technology in a car is just crazy. And for the price, it's only 550 or 560,000 rand. For all of this, this is crazy. Look at this sunroof. It's a panoramic sunroof. The whole roof is glass. You can close it halfway, you can close it full. It's just amazing. Look at this center console. It's open here. So there's storage there, you can pack stuff there. It's got a phone charger, wireless phone charger that you can put down there. It's all leathers from back to front. It's got a 1.5 turbo engine and automatic gears. And I'm telling you, these gears, they switch gears like you don't even know about it. You don't hear it, you don't feel it. It's just amazing. I'm really blown away. I'm blown away by this car. It is just unreal how many electronic features they can put in one car. It's crazy, really. And for the price, it's just, yeah, look at this. This is the door handle when you open the car. Just look at this funny thing here. I've never seen anything like this. It is so cool. It's just, they just thought out of the box here. Look at this nice steering wheel. It's got a flat bottom here. Very, very cool. It's like, you feel like it's a racing car when you sit behind the steering wheel. So I'm very impressed. I'm really very impressed. Sound system is amazing. It's very cool. I must say it's a very cool design, and it's got such a spacious boot. And it's got electronic open and close of the boot. Just by the press of a button. It's just amazing. Right, my love, are you ready? Huh? Ready for our game drive? It's windy as hell, but I'm sure we're gonna see some animals. Huh?
Yep.
Luckily it's not that cold. I know you're very cold, but it's not that cold. But no, I'm looking forward to it. That's it, Ulrich. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Ulrich is the guy that's going to take us on our game drive, and he's the all-rounder on this farm.
Adventure.
Game drive adventure, yeah. So how long have you been on this farm?
13 months.
13 months. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I know the weather isn't that great, but we're going to make it work.
Well, we'll have fun.
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Kan jy op?
Kyk, ek kan baie kry, ek kan nie op.
Oh, lekker.
Maklik.
Easy, man, easy. Yeah, but you've got a steppy, that's why. The steppy makes it easy. Let me join you. We're going to sit in front here.
Yes.
Yeah, lekker.
Nice.
Right, welcome to Bon Game.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, once again, sorry about the weather. But a big welcome to the Thicket Valley, T-H-I, Thicket.
Okay.
Dense bush, spiky vegetation, and should have been evergreen, but because we're in a drought, it's going brown.
Ah,
That hence keep arms, legs, body parts inside the vehicle at all time because of the thorns.
oh, for the thorns, I thought for the lions.
No lions,
No lions.
no lion, no predators. Bon Game, because we do nature walks, park run, and run between the animals.
And only park runs, or do you do cycling as well?
No, not yet.
Mountain biking, nothing.
Not
Not,
yet.
not like that.
Not
Okay.
yet.
Yeah, well,
coming.
thank you.
All right.
Thanks for taking us. Thanks for your time.
No, pleasure.
All
Sit
right,
back and enjoy.
Let's do it. We're going to enjoy it. It feels like we're on holiday. Huh? It really feels like we're on holiday, on a game safari holiday. Look at all those animal tracks up there. Jeez. Yeah. Here we've got the main man of the farm, Hansi, the alpaca. Sure.
Hello, Hansie. Oh.
He's going to show us a nice viewpoint. Yo, look at this. Jeez. Wow, just to think, my love, many years ago, I jumped off here.
Ek weet, onder kop ondersteboor, hier af.
Jeez, look at this. This is crazy.
Nee, yes.
But it was this one we went off, hey? Yeah, I remember, yeah.
It's a bit rusty now. I don't
Jeez,
think
yeah.
it was going down
Very
there.
rusty. Yes, see. Yeah, and then they had the bridge swing from that one.
That's it.
They swang like this, yeah. I remember that. Yes, but I love the nature here, huh? It's beautiful. Yo.
I also like it, but so dry.
Ja, shame. Nyala.
Nyala picnic spot. Oh, look how nice that is. Wow.
Very nice.
Jeez.
Yes. Nice.
Huh. So what can you're allowed to buy there, or is it just picnic? You must take your food and baskets and...
You can go to the restaurant and speak to them and they make you a platter.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nice.
And we come set it up, pillows and blankets.
And you bring the people.
And I'll bring the...
That's nice.
Nice.
Yeah, because they're not going to allow you to make fire here.
I do it in winter. I bring a big one just to make ambience.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, small.
That's Nyalas.
These are my young group of Inyalas.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're beautiful.
Sure.
The word Inyala means mountain goat.
Mountain goat. Okay. That's interesting.
Mooi.
Sables, this is all males.
No,
Daar, die
Huh?
agterste
one
een.
male.
Oh, that.
The one standing closer to you is a male.
Ja.
The junior is a male.
Oh, also.
And then female over there. There's one of your Inyala bulls.
Oh, I see there.
And then that one is pregnant running down the
Oh,
lane.
really?
She's
She's
the
pregnant.
maiden. She's pregnant.
Oh, wow. Jeez, I see that. Okay, now we're entering the wild camping site. Eh?
Wild camping.
Wild camping here. It's got a nice
Thrifting
entry
sites.
here into the bushes, huh? Sure, but it's beautiful.
Green
here, huh?
here.
It's very green here. Yeah, well, we're in the river, that's why. Yes,
Dis mooi.
this is so nice. Karel, julle manne, julle moet hier kom kamp. Jo.
Ja.
There's something for the kids to do.
that side. It's sand.
Oh, in the
Oh.
sand, yeah. Nice.
Yes, but it's nice here. Huh?
Oh, and
Wow.
this.
That's the ablutions.
Oh, nice.
You can go and have a pee-pee.
Are you gonna watch me?
I'm not going to watch you. Nobody wants to see that.
Oh, baie netjies.
Sure, I like these
Sure.
rocks here.
Oh, you go in and you have your own one.
Oh, you've got your own shower
you've
and your
got
potty.
Your side potty and your
Yeah.
washing basin. Just want to
Nice.
fix my hair quickly.
Sure, it's very
Nice.
nice, very nice. So how many?
Okay.
There's 2, 3, 4 of them.
Yeah,
All the same, yeah.
yes. So it's unisex.
So it's not that wild camping, huh?
No,
You've got
it's
ablutions.
quite nice, yeah.
I thought wild camping is like in the bushes,
No,
there's
you-
no facilities,
I
nothing.
was so scared you talked about take the gravel, make a gaatjie pee-pee. But it's very
This is
nice.
very nice, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so beautiful out here between all the thorn trees. Sure,
Green, green,
that is
green.
so green, yeah.
Let's just check at the river.
You get the feeling like you're next to the river, huh?
En hier's 'n lekker braaiplekkie.
Maar ek sal weer lus om 'n vuurtjie op te steek.
Oh. Ons het 'n tent.
Sure.
Daar's 'n bietjie water.
I'm sure when it's not as dry as it is at the moment, it must be a beautiful sight.
And
Sitting here on the oever, on the banks of
This
the
is a
river.
nice spot because
Yeah.
you can go down here to
I
the,
see, yeah.
to the river.
Oh, there's steps down here.
Yeah, and the children can play in the sand
Oh,
and
cool.
take a swim.
Sure, that's nice, huh? Why don't we camp, my love?
We clamp.
We must start camping. This is so cool.
Ooh,
Sure.
kyk net daar.
And there's 15 spots.
Ja,
Jeez, and look at the bridge at the back there.
baie mooi.
Yo.
Baie mooi.
Huh?
Kyk wat sien
Kijk,
ek.
look at this. Huh? This is our
Nou
thing.
so sien ons hulle
This is our thing here. Huh? And look at this. It's on the edge of the river.
riverbank.
A cool hot top, mama.
Nice.
Huh?
It's quite a big one.
Yeah, this is the new one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the new oval one.
I think they're gonna sit about 6 people
Yeah,
in here.
easy, yeah.
Wow.
Sure, but it's nice, huh?
Yeah. So
Wow.
he said you can book any place, and when you're here and you want to use it, he just drag it to your campsite. If you're alone
so
here.
they take it to your campsite.
Yes, and if they're gonna get some more, but if there's everything is booked, they put it in the middle so everybody can use it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yes, but it's a nice spot here, huh?
Yeah,
On the river.
very nice.
Yeah, if the river is flowing, but it's so dry at the moment.
Yeah, shame. But there's the water.
I see the water, yeah. There's a little bit of standing water
Yeah.
here. Sure. This is nice.
Very nice.
This is really a piece of heaven, huh? We're going up the hill. We're going up the hill. It's quite a steep hill. I would love driving here with my bike. I
You
love
alone.
that. Huh?
You alone.
Yeah, on my own, yeah. Definitely not with you on my back. Oh, we're climbing now.
It's dieper af, nee?
Nee?
It's diep by kant.
Ja, is hoog. There's
There's
the
the eland.
there's the eland, yeah. Eland and zebras, and we've got the
Giraffe.
giraffe on this side. Wow, it's an active place this.
Look at this nice giraffe.
You don't often see a giraffe lying down, huh?
Oh. Yes, maar kyk die ou kleintjie. Little eland.
That little
Oh.
one, she's about 2.5 months old,
Oh, you know.
and the bigger one now is 3 months.
3 months. Oh, wow, moeder.
Look at the size of that thing.
Ja. That's in the walking path. Lekker. Ag, kyk net daar. Sjoe.
Wow. They're beautiful, huh?
Ja.
Yes.
Daar's 'n little giraffe, a zebra also.
Two of them.
Yes.
Wow.
About a year old.
And eland, it gets up to what? A ton? 800 kilograms?
Ton.
A ton?
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's Big Blue. That's the dominant male.
I see it's blue, yeah. Sure. That's a lot of biltong. Huh? That is a lot of biltong. Oh, and the
Kyk hier,
giraffe got up.
Giraffe het opgestaan.
Ah, I thought he's gonna get up.
They've got the nicest faces.
He actually blends in with the
Ja.
ground, huh? Sure. Yeah, I can see that's a young one. You said 4.5 years.
4.5 years.
4.5 years old.
They say the zebra's got his own footprint, and it's like a tattoo, but it's to do with the
The skin on his leg.
yeah, yeah,
The fingerprint.
yes,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
on
I
the
also heard that, yeah.
one of the circles.
All got their own individual fingerprints.
Black wildebeest.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the other one, the grey one, is the what? Is a
It's a blue wildebeest.
blue wildebeest, yeah, that's right, yeah.
You don't get them this side of the wall.
Is it?
Okay, this is our lookout point, waterback picnic area
On the river.
on the river. On
Very,
the
very
big
nice.
Mighty Gerrit River.
Yeah. I say, what a buck. Let's have a look. Mama, don't fall, it's high, huh? Sure. Oh, you've got the table and chairs here as well.
Nice.
Lekker.
Lekker.
Yeah, lekker seating area. Oh, where's the brandy? Huh?
Where's the cobra?
Where's the cobra? Sure. This is so similar to the Kruger National Park. They've got a camp there, Olifantskop.
Yes.
It's the same. It's identical the same. Yeah, it looks exactly the same.
Yeah, you also look down
Sure.
with all the animals going past.
There's another bench here to sit. Viewpoint, looking onto the bridge. Oh my love, that was quite interesting, huh?
Very interesting.
Yes, see.
This Ulrich is very informative.
I'm telling you, all the information he told us.
I
Yes.
learned such a lot today.
Yeah, about the elander that they cool themselves with this thing underneath
yeah,
them.
die
throat.
lap
Something.
Dilapid,
or something.
yeah. And then also about that tree, the sweet doring tree.
Yeah, it talks to the other tree.
That warns the other trees if the too much animals are eating from them.
That's crazy.
They don't go. They're not sweet anymore. They go bitter. The
Bitter
other
or sour or
trees,
something.
yeah.
Yeah. I've
Can
never
you
heard
imagine?
that. Yeah.
Wow.
But now it's back. Time for a brandy. Huh?
Woohoo!
Lekker. Tonight all the animals came down to graze on the grass. The bontebokken, the sables, the springbucks. The black wildebeest, they're all here. We're just waiting for the giraffe. Jy moet wakker maak. See, Mama, it looks nice and cozy here, huh? Yo, you must go and sit there. It's cold tonight. Lekker. Under your blankie. Tonight is a rest night. Huh? We're taking off tonight. Oh, we're gonna watch some TV. We never watch TV at one of these places, but tonight we're gonna watch some TV. It's cold, yeah. I'm making us a fire and I'm gonna braai some lekker choppies. It's gonna be nice. I've got 3 brandies already in me, so the night is starting good. Oh my love, morning.
Morning.
What a sad day, huh?
Yeah.
It's always sad to leave.
Always sad to leave.
I hate the day that we leave, especially if we had such a nice time.
Yeah, if
huh?
it's such an amazing place.
Yeah. This is just a crazy nice place.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I must say we had the best time. It's a pity of the weather that we couldn't do the hovercraft.
Yeah.
But I'll see if I can get some footage from them. Maybe I can just put it in. If
just to show you.
Now, if I get footage, I'll put it in now. If I don't get footage, you won't see it. Yeah, but it's an amazing place.
Yeah.
There's so much to do here.
So a few highlights of this place before
Yes,
we leave.
yes.
Every Saturday they've got the park run. It's very nice. It's between the animals.
Oh,
They've got walking
that is so
trails.
cool.
Yeah, they've got walking trails 4 and 7 kilometers. We saw the trail, very nice. We didn't attempt it.
We wanted to do it, but there was just no time.
Yeah, that's it. Just a good excuse, though.
No.
Okay, and then they've got like the hovercraft is a big highlight.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
if you can do it, I think it's an amazing experience.
We're gonna have to come back.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then they've got the game drives. If you stay in this house for 2 nights, you get the game drive absolutely free.
We've got the chapel for weddings.
Yeah, they've got the chapel for weddings. December, they're going to have their first wedding. It's going to be, I'm thinking, amazing because this is so nice. They've got this nice, well-known restaurant with very good food. We had a banting stack there. That was delicious.
That was amazing.
Oh, very nice. So if you're doing the wedding, they can do the food, everything. It's or if you're not doing a wedding, you can just come. If you're a pensioner, you can join the club and you can get 15% discount every time you come.
Where at the
restaurant. Yeah, they've got
that's
Sunday
nice.
meals. They've
Come on, then
got such a lot to offer.
There's the mineral baths.
There's the mineral
Yeah.
baths all over.
Yeah,
It's very nice.
And then there's that party wagon.
I want to do that party
that
wagon.
you can rent for like a year-end function or
Yes.
whatever. Yeah, just a mannenaweek or
Yes.
whatever weekend
and it's
you
got
want.
a braai on, as
Yeah,
we showed you.
that's
Very
so
nice.
nice, yeah.
And another thing is, if you want to do a picnic, they've got nice picnic spots, as we showed you.
Yeah.
You order a platter from the restaurant, and they bring the platter. They take you to the picnic area.
Yes.
They set it up. They put the fire for ambiance.
They do so
Very
much
much.
for you, and it's so you feel so special when you're here.
Yes.
But anyway, I'm excited to drive that GAC Imco back home now.
Oh goodness, yeah! I'm going to put on the heated seat immediately.
Heated seats again. I actually didn't realize I'm too hot now. I didn't realize it's not that cold outside. It's windy, but it's not that cold outside.
Yeah, it's not that cold.
But let's do it. I've packed already.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm in a hurry. I must go back. Things to do, people to visit.
The work to do, editing and stuff.
So yeah, okay. Thank you for watching again. Please remember to subscribe.
Yes,
Hit
please.
the notification bell.
My goodness, you remembered everything.
And some goeie comment as well, man,
Yes, man.
please.
Comment anything you like.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. All right.
Bye.
Bye.